So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get the Amoung Cydia game cheat. Alright guys, so the first thing you're going to want to do, you're going to want to go to Cydia and make sure that you have Fileza installed. And after you have that installed, you're going to go to this link. The link will be in the description. Just copy and paste it into Safari and hit download. And after that's downloaded, guys, you're gonna go ahead and open it, and then open it with Fileza, and then you're just gonna tap on it and then click install, and then after it's finished installing, it should say action. You're gonna hit action and then respring. It's gonna respring your device, and after it's finished respringing, guys, you're gonna go to this website. You're gonna go to iOS Gods, and then you're gonna create an account. I'm already signed in, so you're just gonna go to this website. You're gonna create an account, because you're gonna and you have a lot of different mods for this cheat.